All right, this is SSL Family Dad.
And SSL Family Mom.
And today we're covering our greenhouse. All right, so we finally have kind of a break in the weather. It's not windy, it's sunny, and the temperature is decent. It's about 40 degrees, so it's warm enough to at least get out here and put the plastic on. I didn't want to work with the plastic when it was too cold, and the snow is melted, so it's a good time. It's still January, but we're hoping to get this thing covered today. So what we do, we've got some prep work to do. We've got both the end walls built on the greenhouse, and what we're going to do today is, thanks to some viewer suggestions, we're going to be putting this Gorilla Tape, basically duct tape. It's white, it's supposed to be UV protectant and all that stuff. It's not supposed to moisture resistant and outdoor tape. We're going to put this on all the PVC hoops. So we're going to cover all the rough spots, the brackets, the bolt heads, the carriage bolt heads, and then also every single one of the hoops. Because what we learned, thanks to some people who commented when I did the planning video, is that PVC actually off-gases a chlorine, and over time that degrades your greenhouse plastic. So I think the greenhouse plastic we got is supposed to be 4-year warranty. 4 years. So as far as I understand it, from most people I've read that didn't cover the hoops, it only lasted like 1 or 2 years before it started getting brittle and breaking. So hopefully we can get 4 years out of it. Yeah, you know,
as long as we can.
Exactly. So what we're going to do today is get this prepped, and then hopefully get this greenhouse plastic stretched across. So I'll kind of show you what we're doing to get through and get this ready. All right, well, we've got all the tape on all of the hoops, so that'll protect the plastic from contact with that PVC pipe, so that should help with the longevity of the plastic. Got all of our brackets and screws and all that stuff covered up, carriage bolts and everything are all covered, so we don't have any sharp edges on anything, and I think we're just about ready to get the plastic on. So the idea was, I had all these extra deck boards left over from another project, and what I'm going to do is, the plan anyway, is to get the plastic down here and then sit the deck board on top of it and then pull it tight, slam it together like that, and then put some deck screws in here. That's the plan. We'll just do that all along with those. And then on the ends here, we have all these scrap pieces of 2x4 from the wall construction and stuff. And we'll take these, we'll wrap the plastic over the ends, and from the inside we'll screw these up and pinch the plastic that way. So that way we'll get the plastic wrapped tight around there and pinched under there. And then I have some paneling and some other things I'm going to use to wall this whole thing off, and that'll cover that plastic up, so we'll have a nice clean look here on the end. And I think this will turn out pretty good. So it's a big piece of plastic. There's a little bit of a breeze, but I think we can do it. What do you think, honey?
We can do it.
All right, we got about half an hour left of light, so let's get started. Dog turds. this other side over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, I ripped a hole in it.
No.
Yep. I could unscrew that and let that come down on this side.
Yeah.
That's pinched really good.
Yeah, it's definitely not glass. Alright, I'm going inside. It's really cold.
Yep. It's up on my, right in front of my workbench on the wall. It's a sad morning. There was no snow in the forecast last night, none. I didn't get a chance to do anything with putting a few braces up in the middle or anything if I would have expected snow. Nothing. Totally destroyed. We got, I don't know how much snow. We must have got 6 inches of snow last night. I don't know if it's salvageable or not. I don't know if it broke the PVC. No idea. If I would have had any idea we were getting snow, I would have put up, I had a couple 2x4 braces that I was going to put up in the middle. It just wasn't finished.